Yeah, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to go ahead and do LeetCode number 202, happy number. What we're going to do is we're going to write an algorithm to determine if the given number n is happy or not. And we know that a number is happy given this description right here. So starting with any positive integer, replace the number by the sum of the square of its digits. And then repeat the process until the number equals 1, or if it loops endlessly in a cycle. Those numbers for which a process ends in 1 are happy. So what this pretty much means, let's go ahead and take this example over here, 19. We're going to go ahead and separate these so we get 1 and 9. We're going to square this, add them up. So that's going to be 1, 81, going to get 82. Now we're going to go ahead and keep doing this to see if we ever end up in a 1 or if it loops endlessly. To check if it loops endlessly, we're going to go ahead and store these values, our sums, in a set. Okay, so 82, we're going to take our 8, our 2, square it. That's going to be 64, that's going to be 4, so 68. Same with the 6 and 8. It's going to be 36 and 64. It's going to be 100. Now with 100, 1, 0, and 0. That is going to be 1. And according to our description, which is right here, if it ends in 1, it's happy, so we're going to go ahead and return true. And else, if we find that in the set, we're going to go ahead and return false. So let's go ahead and code this up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and initialize our set. We'll go ahead and call it C. So there's our set. And then we're going to go ahead and style a while loop. And if our number n is equal to 1, we're going to go ahead and just return true. Return true, and then we're going to go ahead and style another while loop. So while our number n is not equal to 0, we're going to go ahead and make our sum. We call it my sum. So we're going to go ahead and add our previous sum, which here, let's go ahead and initialize that up here. My sum, we're going to initialize that 0. So we're going to take our my sum and then add my sum and add our last digit of our number n. So that'll look like this. We're going to use the modulo operator. And then in doing so, we're going to go ahead and square it. And that'll be our first digits. Now for the second one, we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to use our operators here to get the next digits place. Now this will go and add it to my sum until n is equal to 0. And then if our sum is in scene, we're just going to return false. Else, we're going to go ahead and add our sum back into our set. And this is just going to go ahead and we're going to put our new n as our sum. So it goes ahead and redoes the process all over again. So let's go ahead and submit it. And as you can see, it does run optimally. Now don't look at this time. This time is funky because LeetCode runs stuff on their own servers. But that's pretty much it for this one. I'll catch you guys next time.